So while out camping, we like to camp in comfort and style. So here we have one of our favorite chairs, the Pico armchair by GCI Outdoor. A lot of cool features about this chair. It has a cup holder on the side, got a little storage pocket here. The bag that it comes in sits on the back. You can put your trash in there, you can put books, a flashlight, anything you need. And these chairs are also rated for 250 pounds. So the best thing about this chair is that it's compact and portable. It fits in this small carry case here. You simply pull out the chair. You pull up the arms, it's sturdy, pull your leg here, and it folds out just like that. There you have it.